Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction, SP500 index fund prediction, and the DXY or US dollar index prediction. Again, every day, my friend, we came to you by two videos. So you watching now us, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification to receive all our latest updates and videos. Plus, every day we put in two videos. What you waiting for, my friend? Go and subscribe to our channel. Did you subscribe, my friend? Let's continue. So, as every day, my friend, we started by looking at the chart. What is it there? As you see here, what the Bitcoin is doing today. It came to that zone, as we said before here, that one, as we said before, my friend. It came to it, it's showing here a rejection, but that rejection, it will not last for long. It will go till here, till that zone here. Sorry, let me show it to you. It will go in till here, till that zone here. But that it will not last for long because also we're still in a downtrend. Because if you remember what me had told you in the last video, we are in the weekly, then me had told you the price, it will go in till here, till that zone here, like that. Then after that, it's going to drop again. If you remember those things, the only thing now, the daily candle, it's still going. And when the daily finish it, we're going to come back to you and we're going to update you, my friend, that if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe and turn the bell notification to receive all our latest updates and videos. So, what we said, my friend, here, it's showing here a rejection. And by the way, that one today internet in 1 minute. There is no one can tell you those things. Me entering that one in 1 minute. And I'm not using spot. Let me be honest with you. I'm using leverage 1 to 10. Entering it in 1 minute till here. So I make some profit in it today. But now in 1 minute, I saw it give me like a W like that. So it's going to fall down. So everything is too clear. And as you see it here, now that our analysis, and as you see it here, that our analysis, what we said is going to come down till that 19,462, and that's what it did exactly. Now it's showing in that long-term trend as we draw in here, that one with white here. We said it's going to come to it. He came to it. He tried to break it, but he couldn't. Now he came back with a green candle, with a big green candle. All the things that green candle, let's show you what's happening in it. As you see, that green candle, even if it came with big power, but down here, there is no big volume to push it up. If you see the previous reds, it's still very powerful. That's what I told you in the previous videos. Not yet, my friend. That one just a small trap to make you to believe it's going to go high, but it's not. It's going to drop again. So be careful at that one very, 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 very well. There is no volume to push up. Everything is too clear, my friend. If is it clear to you, make sure to hit the like button, my friend, and to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification if is it the first time of you here. If you be a subscriber with us, go down as much as the like, help us, help the channel to growing up, and tell us your thought about the Bitcoin. What you thinking? What the Bitcoin it will do in the coming days? Is going to fall down or is going to stay in that zone? Tell us your opinion, my friend. Everything is too clear here. So let's see our indicators, what they're saying here for the picture to be more clear to you. That indicator of us, as you see it, it came back again here to touch that trend line as we drawn yesterday together. So now let's see if it's going to break it up or is going to fall down again. By the way, in my broker, me using another system. It give me here a small divergence, but not yet, because I think it's going to fall down more than that. Because you can believe it's going to go up in lower time frames, but in the big picture, like weekly, we are in a big falling. Because in the weekly, we are like that, big sharp candles, and all of them they are red. That's the power here and the difference between high time frames and lower time frames, because it's need to give you price in bigger time frames. It's going up, then you go to the lower time frames and you check what is it there. Everything is too clear. Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, as you see it, yesterday it entered here to the oversold, and I tell it to you, not yet. I tell you it need the price to give you here a price action indicate also we are going to head up. So make a close eye at it. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go into the SP 500 index fund to see what is it there, because now the market is it on. So let's go in there to see what the SP 500 or the stock market is telling us, because the SP 500 is the most powerful 500 companies in the US market. That's why they call it SP 500. So you need to make a close eye at that one. There is Nasdaq and there is the SP 500. Nasdaq is got more companies than the SP 500. The SP is got those best one. And any company to enter there, it needs to have some criteria. That's why also we're analyzing only the SP 500, because the SP 500 give you the bigger picture of the US stock market, because it's an index. So make a close eye at it, my friend. Let's go in now to the chart of the SP 500 index fund to see what is it there. Here we are in the SP 500. And as you see, and I tell it to you yesterday, what did I told you? I told you got here that daily, it's break that level here, also we used to have here, and I'm still having. I just want to show you the picture. And now it's showing here a smaller rejection. And if you being a trader and you know what you're doing, you know Monday, every time the market, it try to reverse, then after that, it continue down. So today is Monday. Monday, us also we've been in the market for long. We call it the trap of traders. So you need to make a close eye. Actually, there is some people they trade in, there is one trading strategy, they call it Sunday opening, because Sunday when it's opening, if it's the market falling like that, then they enter in from the low. In Monday it went upward, and I know someone, he got a YouTube channel, he making that strategy, give it to the people. So everything is too clear. So what my view to the SP? SP now is going to make a small correction like that. Then after that, it's going to drop. And you need to make a close eye at it. And by the way, if you remember what I told you about the SP, and you being someone who being subscriber with us and you follow us here in the SP, we got here a wedge. And that wedge, every time he came to it, he give you here a cup and handle, then it falling down. And as you see it, every time, cup handle, then it falling down. And now, he give you here a cup and handle, then it's going to fall down. Because if you came here, let me show you something very, very important here. If you came here from the last high here to here till the last that one, how much he dropped? He dropped 14%. Let's do it here. The second time here, how much he dropped? He dropped 21%. Now let's do in the last one and to see how much is going to drop that SP 500. Because the difference between every time is 6. So 20, it said it's going to drop 26% is here. So the SP is going to drop till, as you see it, let's draw it together for the pictures to be more clear to you. That's what else we're doing here. Try to make pictures more clear to you. Now let's delete in all those ones. Now based on the previous data, as I tell it to you, the SP 500 is going to drop till 31.89, my friend. It's going to be the best scenario. But it will not do it sharply like that. As you see it, the last times what it's been doing, he fall down, he go up, then he fall down. Same thing here. Look what he did, he fall down, he do like that. Because as I told you before, the market doesn't fall down sharply. The market is always falling down in waves. And as you see them in front of you. So now the view of us, the SP, it's going to continue. Yes, it's going. We got here levels. It's going to touch them, but after that, it's going to go upward. And let me show you that level as we said now. So as you see, that level as we said, the SP maybe is going to fall down to it. Is a level here at that zone here. As we're talking about the previous data, you got one here and you got one here. We are going to come to it in the future, but now I'm just showing you what the market telling you. So don't buy any stock. Stock market is going to fall down more than that, because also we are just in the door of a big recession, because the war in Ukraine and Russia hasn't finished. The Fed is still hiking the interest rate, and I don't know, the energy is still hiking, and also we are now entering in the winter, and in the winter you know what's happening exactly here in Europe. People they're using a lot of energy, so without gas, here people they will die. So as we headed now to a very bad moment, my friend. That's the only thing I can tell you. So that's it for the SP. It's going now to the US dollar or DXY to explain it to you what it's telling us. Here in the DXY, my friend, as you see it, it's showing here in that zone a rejection. As you see it, it gives us there a candle. Let me zoom it to show it to you. As you see it, it's showing here a rejection. He tried to give us here a pin bar. But the bad thing here about the As I tell it to you before, there is no volume, so there is no volume down. So as every time I show you that place, here there is a war, and now there is a falling down. So let's see the coming days what's going to happen. I think we are going to head to touch the trend line till the Fed came and tell us very good news to push it up again, because the Fed is working for the US dollar to get hike and high and high and high. So everything is too clear here, my friend. I'm going to update you when the daily candle finish it. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Now let's go in to the Bitcoin to see what is it there, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we came back to the Bitcoin. Now let's go in now to the 4 hours to see what is it there. As you see it, my friend, here in the 4 hours, you remember that channel of us we used to have it here, or the lower of that wage, or name it anything you want. The price here, it indicates to us, it break it down, but when it touching that level here, it went upward again. Let me zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you, for everyone to understand what we're talking about. As you see it here, it came that candle here, that red one, then it came that green one here. It go back inside the channel, and now the price is headed for another run. But here in the top of that candle, here in the top of the candle which is going now, it indicates there is a falling down coming. So you need to make a close eye at those things. When that 4 hours candle finishes, maybe it's going to drop again. So make a close eye at it. It's left for that candle 2 hours and the price is still falling. And me, I tell it to you in 1 minute, because me, that's my job. If I don't earn money, I can't live. So that's my living. In 1 minute, it's showing me like this. Not like that. Actually, it show it like that. First one, it came to the high. Then it do like that. So like that he doing. So it's showing like a double top. And it's showing here in that zone. We are going to go lower more. So let's wait and see what's going to happen. I'm going to update you when the daily candle finishes. It's our indicators what they say for the picture to be more clear. Our indicator, as you see it, also is still here at the oversold area, as you see it, and it's going to head now for another run. It's waiting when it's going to go for it. It's our other indicator for the picture to be more clear. That one is still showing us here at divergence, if you remember it. Now it's need, if we are going to head for another run, it need to come and to break for us the last high, which is here. Till now it hasn't break it. So till now there is nothing. It might now do it like that and came back again. And another thing here, if you came from that zone here like that and you draw it like that, a trend line like that, as you see it now, is it touching that trend line, which is being touched here, then it fall down, started from here, and now is it at it. I'm talking here about my indicator. So now my view to it, one of two is going to break up or is going to come back down to the oversold area. But you need to make a close eye here at the divergence level like that. You're going to see what's going to happen to it. If it's break it down, it means the divergence, it will not still valid. If it react very stronger divergence, from here is going to go upward. So that's it for the 4 hours, my friend. Let's go in now to 30 minutes to see what is it there. Here in 30 minutes, as you see it, what he did, he came here. When he came here to the 200 moving average, that one, it's showing here a rejection in that zone, and that's what I told you before. So I think now we are going to make another correction, but you need to make a close eye at the 200 moving average. That one, if you are a scalper or a day trader. Over here, I'm not talking with investors. I'm talking only about scalpers and day traders. Investors, long term, my friend. Long term. Scalpers and day traders, because you're aiming for 3%, 4%, depending on how much you want to make every day. So you keep lower time frames. As I tell it to you, I go to 1 minute. I enter in that Bitcoin from here in 1 minute till here. So even you, if you want to be, but scalping is very dangerous, my friend. You need to know what you're doing. If you are just a beginner, scalping is not for you. Scalping is for professional people. Is not for amateurs, so you need to make that in your eye. If you want to be in the safe side, go to the investing and they say, my friend. So it's our indicator what it's saying for that one, for the picture to be more clear. Our indicator, as you see it, my friend, we are here at the overbought area. So at the right time for to take some profit. It might from here it will go in upward, but also we don't care that the time for you to take some profit. By the way, to get that indicator, you just go here to the channel, to one video, his name, how to make $100 a day trading cryptocurrency. In the description of that video, you're going to find that indicator. So everything is too clear. If you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and smash the like button to help us See you when the daily candle finishes, my friend. Bye for now.